And yes, we are back. Shout outs to us for making it back. You, me, all of us. And today we're looking at another Ina Alouette. Let's get it started. Aluna.
Are you ready? Get ready, let's go now, cause we're ready for the show now. Oh yeah, it's time for a new sound, and we came here to show off our style. Step 1, 2, 2 to the beat. Mic check, tick tock to the 3. Me that guy.
Bro, she is killing these songs. Like, dang. Oh man.
Oh yeah, it's time for a new sound, and we came here to show off our style. Step 1, 2, 2 to the beat. Mic check, tick tock to the 3. Me that guy, me that you just move to the rhythm of the beat. Let's go. Don't ever feel lost. We have each other, so we're good. So now it's our time to shine, and all you have to do is just be you. Hajime Maste, my dear friend. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. Junie and Doido, we all have our different woe, but that's what makes us sit back, enjoy the show. Oh yeah. Let's get it started now.
Let's get it started now.
Let's get it started now. We came from different places, see new faces makes me anxious, but this time I'm not a nervous wreck. Earth feels like outer space, but it's okay, I'm gonna stay, cause we're one big love and family. Running through the hall so fast, kiting the chime with this, start the dash. Wanna do this, wanna do that, remember all the good and forget all the bad. We only got love, we don't make any enemies, laughing having fun every day, making memories. Let's hop on the stage and show them what we came for, harmonize to this melody, oh yeah. We have each other, so we're good. So now it's our time to shine, all you have to do is just be you. Hajime Maste, my dear friend. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. Junie and Doido, we all have our different woe, but that's what makes us sit back, enjoy the show.
Yo, it's crazy she's laughing. Mid singing. Flex, that's a flex.
So feel at home. Junie and Doido, we all have our different woe, but that's what makes us sit back, enjoy the show.
That's so nice.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Times are maybe hard, but don't you forget. 頼れる仲間がいるって I'm here for you, and I'm here too. We all got you. Oh my god, that was nasty. You're always welcome here,
Wait, is
so
that-
feel it.
Wait, was that in the song?
Oh my god, that was nasty. You're always
Wait.
I'm here for you, and I'm here too. We all got you. Oh my god, that was nasty. You're always welcome here, so feel at home. Junie and Doido, we all have our different woe, but that's what makes us.
How hard does a no have to be if someone like her has to say that was nasty?
Sit back, enjoy the show, yeah. Let's get it started now.
I want to see what she sounds like normally. There's got to be some type of out of context something somewhere. Elden Ring Part 7. Maybe she just...
This guy so much. I'm so glad you can rest in peace now. I will do you justice, Morgan. This world is a cruel place. I love you. Even though you don't know me and you tried to kill me and you stabbed me with this really, really scary lunge, I still love you. Okay. You wanted to be Elden Lord because no one was good at it? Low-key, I feel that so much, guys. Like, do not worry. Do not worry, Morgott. You will fix that. You were so right. Nobody is fitted to be Elden Lord. You know why?
Stop. That's like ASMR. You got, yeah, dang. I don't know. I was not expecting her to sound like that. She sounds. Hold on, let me listen. Hold on.
You know what I realized in Elden Ring? I realized that I was watching a lot of like after I defeat a boss, I always watch videos of other people defeating bosses just to kind of look at like, you know, what I can try to do better on the next one.
I never would have guessed. I never would have guessed. I never would have guessed. Hold on, run it back.
So now it's our time to shine, and all you have to do is just be you. Hajime Maste, my dear friend, you're always welcome here, so feel at home. We all have our different.
Okay, around this part, it does sound like it's crazy. That is a very stark difference.
Whoa, but that's what makes.
And I think that is super cool. I like it. The whistle note at 2:35 was the best part of the song. Oh, the part where she said that was rough.
Oh my god, that was nasty.
That's crazy, that transition. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm like totally blown back. I don't really know what to say. Kind of speechless in a way. Yeah, really speechless. But damn, can she do something crazy with the music and the singing? She seems pretty chill. I'll say that. The stream from the 30 seconds we just watched, she seems chill. But she is damn talented at singing. I'll say that. Give her a round of applause for real. Ina is something else. Someone actually recommended I listen to this karaoke, so I'm gonna listen to this, but it's gonna be in a different video because this one is a little longer. So yeah, she did Uptown Funk. Wait, she did Proud Family? There's no way. Wait, Proud Family, the Proud Family song? Every day, every single day and night. Even when you start to act like a fool, you know what everything you do. You know what, I can always be myself. You know that I'm loving you more than anybody else. You know there's no one I'd rather be with you. The family, the proud family, they'll make you scream, make you wanna the proud family. Wait, she did do it. I gotta listen to it. Is that me or her?
You and me will always be a tie. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, I love every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. Around you more than anybody else. And every day as I'm heading off to school, you know there's no one I'd rather be with you. Family, a family, proud family. They'll make you scream. They'll make you wanna see the family, proud family.
Oh my god.
They'll push your buttons
And make you wanna hold on.
proud family. Sit tight knowing that you're there.
I didn't know that. But there's more?
You're everywhere, in my heart and even in my soul. You know I take you every single place I go. Every day I'm hanging with my friends. Got school, but when I die, wanna feel the love I know is true. I don't really know the rest of the song, I'm sorry.
Yo, I was, nah, I didn't know there was a rest of the song. What the hell?
Got school, but when I die, wanna feel the love I know is true. I don't really know the rest of the song, I'm sorry.
Family can sing. I make you wanna sing. Family.
Make you wanna hug. Proud family. Okay, last chorus, go. You and me will always be a tie.
Oh, it's just a repeat.
Every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. Know that I can always be myself, around you more than anybody else. And every day as I'm heading up to school, you know there's no one I love as much as you.
That was cool as fuck. 777, let's go. That was cool. Dude, that's cool. Oh, that was cool as shit. That was cool. That was cool. That was cool. There's a whole channel for karaoke? Oh, it's just Ina. Wait, there's no way. Oh, it's for any. Oh. That's cool. That was cool. She did Uptown Funk too. This song is. Hold on. Play that funky beat. It's on her set list. I'm just looking at it. Hold on. Maybe it's just kind of long. Okay, I'll save it for another video. That was cool. I'm gonna listen to Uptown Funk and some other ones. Cool as shit. That was cool. Thank you. Hey, that was cool. Ina. Hey, if you're ever trying to do a karaoke, we can do it together. Let it be known. We can sing all the nostalgia songs. We can sing Proud Family. We can sing Pokemon. I think like Pokemon Season 2, especially the everybody wants to be your master. Everybody wants to show their skills. Everybody wants to get there faster than I made to the top of the hill. Each time we try. Like we can just sing like straight nostalgia songs like Escape from the City, Knuckles song. Hey. You know what? When I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do my own karaoke, and it's gonna be just me singing nostalgia songs. Anyways, that was cool as fuck. Thank you for sharing that. And yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Tell someone you appreciate them because it's important to share that sentiment. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.